KOHO card limits, friend or foe? Ever walk up to a register, ready to swipe that plastic, only to be met with a scary decline message? Let's face it, declined cards are the ultimate buzzkill. So, if you're a proud KOHO cardholder, a crucial question pops up. Does my KOHO card have limits lurking in the shadows, waiting to trip me up at checkout? Well, hold on to your receipts, because we're diving deep into the world of KOHO card limits. We'll crack open the code, reveal the restrictions, and ultimately, empower you to KOHO with confidence. Now, KOHO cards aren't exactly like traditional credit cards. They function more like prepaid cards, meaning you load them up with cash beforehand, and that cash dictates your spending power. But within that system, KOHO imposes specific limits to ensure smooth operation and protect you from financial hiccups. Let's break it down into two main categories, daily limits and monthly limits. Daily limits act like a personal spending bodyguard for a 24-hour window. Imagine it as a way to KOHO responsibly and avoid accidentally draining your account in a single shopping spree. Here's the breakdown of KOHO's daily limits. Point of sale, POS, transactions. This refers to any swipe, tap, or chip and pin purchase you make with your card at stores or online retailers. KOHO allows a whopping $9,000 daily limit for these transactions. That's a pretty generous buffer for most everyday purchases. ATM withdrawals. Need some quick cash? Daily ATM withdrawals are capped at $1,010. This ensures you can access some funds without completely emptying your KOHO account at once. Now, monthly limits take a broader view, tracking your KOHO activity over a 30-day period. These limits are generally higher to accommodate larger monthly expenses. Here's what to keep in mind. Total load amount. This refers to the total amount of money you can add to your KOHO card within a month. KOHO allows a massive $200,000 monthly load, so unless you're planning on buying a private island, you're probably good on this front. Number of loads. There's no restriction on the number of times you can load money onto your KOHO card within a month. So, if you get a regular paycheck or multiple deposits, you can reload as needed. Direct deposits. Similar to the load limit, there's a maximum of $100,000 per direct deposit transaction. Again, this is a high threshold, so for most users, it's not a concern. There are a few other things to consider. Pre-authorized debits. These are recurring payments you authorize, like gym memberships or subscriptions. KOHO limits you to 100 pre-authorized debits per month. KOHO to KOHO transfers, moving money between KOHO accounts. The maximum transfer amount is $3,000 per transaction. Outbound Interac e-transfers, sending money electronically via Interac has a daily maximum of $3,000. Remember, these limits are designed to protect you and ensure your KOHO card remains a reliable financial tool. It's always a good practice to be mindful of your spending and stay within your budget. But here's the real kicker. KOHO's website doesn't explicitly list all these limits in one place. You might have to do some digging to find the specifics. We recommend checking out the KOHO Help Center for the latest information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, KOHO responsibly and with confidence.